Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot download anything from Google Play Store as it's stuck on a pending in Lenovo Yoga tab. And to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store, and inside we want to look for any app and try to download it. As you can see, when I clicked on the install, actually there's the setup, so let's go through it. So now when I click on the install, you can see that the download is stuck on the pending and it won't begin the actual installation progress. So we can cancel it for now and move on to the fix. We need to open our settings, then find the system at the bottom, go for date and time, and here enable use network provided time options. Now we can go back to Google Play Store and try to install the same game or app, and it should work fine. If not, we might need to restart our Google Play Store to make sure that the effects are saved. So let's do it. Okay, whatever, this app for some reason now is not available, so let's change to this one. And now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.